Maintaining a relationship requires effort, understanding, and a commitment to grow together. Relationships flourish when both partners focus on giving, growing, and loving with intention. By cultivating empathy, communication, and shared goals, you can create a connection that thrives even during challenging times. Every relationship faces obstacles, but it's how you respond to those challenges that define its strength. Focus on meeting your partner's emotional needs and creating a shared vision for the future. Remember, the quality of your relationship often determines the quality of your life, so invest in it with your heart and soul. Prioritizing emotional connection is the cornerstone of a thriving relationship. At its heart, emotional connection is about understanding, supporting, and valuing your partner on a deep level. It transcends surface interactions and dives into the essence of what makes two people truly bonded. When you prioritize this aspect of your relationship, you create a foundation of trust and intimacy that can withstand the challenges of life. One of the most effective ways to prioritize emotional connection is to truly understand your partner's emotional needs. Every individual has a unique way of giving and receiving love, often referred to as their love language. Some people feel love through words of affirmation, while others value acts of service, quality time, physical touch, or receiving gifts. Taking the time to learn what makes your partner feel cherished and consistently expressing love in that way is a powerful step towards strengthening your bond. When your partner feels seen and appreciated for who they are more likely to reciprocate those feelings, creating a positive cycle of connection. Daily acts of appreciation and affection play a critical role in maintaining an emotional connection. Small gestures, such as leaving a thoughtful note, expressing gratitude for something they've done, or simply saying "I love you," can make a significant difference. These moments of acknowledgement reaffirm your commitment and love, reminding your partner that they are a priority in your life. Even when life gets busy, these small actions ensure that the relationship remains a source of comfort and joy. Deep emotional connection also requires being fully present when spending time together. In today's world, where distractions like smartphones and work commitments are constant, carving out uninterrupted time to engage with your partner is essential. Listening actively, maintaining eye contact, and showing genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings create an atmosphere of safety and understanding. When your partner feels heard and validated, fosters a sense of emotional intimacy that strengthens the relationship. Another key aspect of emotional connection is empathy. Empathy involves putting yourself in your partner's shoes and trying to see the world from their perspective. When disagreements or challenges arise, practicing empathy allows you to approach the situation with compassion rather than defensiveness. This not only helps in resolving conflicts, but also reinforces the idea that you are a team working together, not adversaries. Prioritizing emotional connection also involves being vulnerable and open with your own feelings. Sharing your fears, dreams, and insecurities invites your partner into your inner world, creating a mutual sense of trust and closeness. Vulnerability is not a sign of weakness, it is a bridge to deeper intimacy. When both partners feel safe to be their authentic selves, the relationship becomes a sanctuary where growth and love flourish. In essence, emotional connection is the glue that holds relationships together. By making a conscious effort to understand, appreciate, and connect with your partner on a daily basis, you build a bond that is both resilient and deeply fulfilling. It's the ongoing commitment to prioritize this connection that transforms a relationship from good to extraordinary. Communicate openly and honestly. Clear and honest communication is the backbone of any successful relationship. It forms the bridge that connects two people, enabling them to understand each other's thoughts, emotions, and needs. When communication flows freely, it fosters trust, reduces misunderstandings, and ensures that both partners feel valued and heard. Effective communication starts with creating a safe and non-judgmental space where both partners feel comfortable expressing themselves. This means listening without interrupting, avoiding defensive reactions, and showing empathy toward your partner's perspective. Active listening, truly hearing what your partner is saying rather than planning your response, demonstrates respect and genuine interest in their feelings and experiences. Open communication also involves being honest about your own emotions, desires, and concerns. Suppressing feelings or avoiding difficult conversations may lead to resentment and emotional distance over time. Instead, be transparent about what you need and how you feel, even if it feels uncomfortable at first. Honesty fosters intimacy as it allows both partners to engage with each other on a deeper, more authentic level. Timing is also crucial when addressing sensitive topics. Choosing the right moment, free from distractions or heightened emotions, can significantly impact the outcome of a conversation. Approach challenging discussions with a calm and solution-oriented mindset, focusing on resolving the issue rather than assigning blame. Use I statements, such as "I feel" or "I need," to express your perspective without sounding accusatory, which encourages a more constructive dialogue. Nonverbal communication plays an equally important role in maintaining honesty and openness. Your tone of voice, facial expressions, and body language often speak louder than words. Ensure that your nonverbal cues align with your intentions, as inconsistencies can create confusion or mistrust. For instance, maintaining eye contact and an open posture signals attentiveness and care during conversations. Regular check-ins can also enhance communication within a relationship. Setting aside time to discuss how things are going, address concerns, or simply connect on a deeper level can prevent small issues from escalating into larger problems. These moments of intentional communication reaffirm your commitment to the relationship and ensure that both partners remain aligned in their goals and values. Equally important is learning to navigate and resolve conflicts constructively. Disagreements are inevitable, but how you handle them can either strengthen or weaken the relationship. Approach conflicts with curiosity and a willingness to understand your partner's viewpoint. Avoid criticism, contempt, or stonewalling, as these behaviors can erode trust and emotional safety. Instead, focus on finding common ground and working together to create a solution that benefits both parties. In summary, open and honest communication is not just about talking, it's about understanding, respecting, and valuing each other's voices. It requires effort, patience, and a commitment to ongoing growth. When you prioritize clear communication, you lay the groundwork for a strong and fulfilling relationship built on trust, mutual respect, and genuine connection. Focus on growth together. Growth is a fundamental element of a thriving relationship. It's not just about growing as individuals, but evolving together as a team. A relationship where both partners are committed to mutual development fosters resilience, deepens connection, and creates a shared sense of purpose. When you prioritize growth together, you transform challenges into opportunities and ensure that your bond remains dynamic and fulfilling over time. Personal growth is the first step in this journey. Each partner must take responsibility for their own development, whether it's improving emotional intelligence, cultivating new skills, or addressing personal challenges. A relationship thrives when both individuals bring their best selves to the table. However, growth doesn't stop at the individual level. It's equally important to nurture growth as a couple. One way to grow together is by setting shared goals and working toward them as a team. These goals can range from practical aspirations, like saving for a home or planning a trip, to personal milestones, like supporting each other in pursuing education or career advancement. Collaborating on such objectives strengthens the partnership and reinforces the idea that you are building a life together. The process of working toward these goals often involves communication, problem solving, and compromise, which further deepens the relationship. Experiencing new things as a couple is another powerful way to foster growth. Whether it's traveling to a new destination, trying a new hobby, or learning something together, these shared experiences create lasting memories and help you discover new facets of each other. Stepping out of your comfort zone together also strengthens trust and reinforces your ability to navigate the unknown as a team. Challenges and obstacles are inevitable in any relationship, but they also present opportunities for growth. Instead of viewing difficulties as roadblocks, approach them as a chance to learn and strengthen your bond. Facing adversity together teaches resilience and problem-solving skills. It also reinforces the notion that you can rely on each other, even in tough times. Another crucial aspect of growing together is maintaining a sense of curiosity about your partner. People change over time, and staying attuned to those changes ensures that your relationship evolves rather than stagnates. Regularly checking in with each other, asking thoughtful questions, and being open to rediscovering your partner keeps the connection fresh and exciting. Support is a key element of mutual growth. Celebrate each other's successes, provide encouragement during setbacks, and be a source of motivation for one another. When your partner knows that you are invested in their growth, it fosters a sense of security and deepens the bond. Similarly, sharing your own growth journey with your partner invites them to participate and contributes to the collective evolution of the relationship.
In essence, focusing on growth together means embracing the journey of life as partners who uplift, inspire, and challenge each other to be better.
By committing to individual and mutual development, you ensure that your relationship remains vibrant, resilient, and deeply fulfilling, no matter what the future holds.
Foster playfulness and passion. Playfulness and passion are essential ingredients for keeping a relationship vibrant and exciting. While love provides the foundation, it's the spark of fun and romance that keeps the connection alive and thriving.
Life can be filled with stress and responsibilities, but making space for joy and intimacy allows your relationship to remain a source of happiness and energy. Playfulness is about finding ways to enjoy each other's company and rediscovering the lightheartedness that often marks the early stages of a relationship. Couples who laugh together create a positive emotional environment which strengthens their bond. Simple acts like sharing an inside joke, being silly, or engaging in playful banter can inject moments of joy into your daily lives. Even mundane activities like cooking or running errands can become opportunities for fun when approached with the right mindset. Planning activities that both partners enjoy is another way to foster playfulness. This could include game nights, outdoor adventures, or even trying something entirely new, like a dance class or escape room. These shared experiences not only create joyful memories, but also help you connect on a deeper level by reminding you of the pleasure of simply being together. Passion, on the other hand, is about maintaining the romantic and intimate aspects of your relationship. As time goes on, it's easy to let the demands of daily life overshadow the need for physical and emotional closeness. However, nurturing passion is vital for keeping the relationship alive. Small gestures like holding hands, giving unexpected compliments, or planning a romantic date night can reignite the flames of romance. Surprises are a powerful tool for keeping passion alive. Unexpected acts of love, such as leaving a heartfelt note, preparing your partner's favorite meal, or planning a spontaneous getaway, show thoughtfulness and effort.
These gestures remind your partner that they are cherished and keep the relationship feeling fresh and exciting.
Prioritizing intimacy is another key component of sustaining passion. Physical closeness, whether through affectionate touches, hugs, or more intimate moments, strengthens your bond and releases feel-good hormones that enhance emotional connection. Open communication about desires and boundaries ensures that both partners feel satisfied and valued in this aspect of the relationship. Balancing playfulness and passion also involves being present and attentive to your partner's needs and moods. Sometimes a playful approach might be the perfect way to lighten the mood, while at other times deeper intimacy and vulnerability may be needed. Being attuned to your partner allows you to adapt and nurture the relationship in a way that feels authentic and fulfilling for both of you. Ultimately, fostering playfulness and passion is about making the relationship a priority and approaching it with creativity and intention. By keeping the joy and romance alive, you not only deepen your connection, but also create a relationship that continues to feel exciting and meaningful as the years go by. Practice gratitude and appreciation. Gratitude and appreciation are powerful forces that can transform a relationship, turning even ordinary moments into opportunities for connection and joy. By consistently acknowledging and valuing your partner's efforts, qualities, and presence, you create an environment of mutual respect and emotional safety. This practice deepens your bond and serves as a reminder of why you chose each other in the first place. Expressing gratitude begins with noticing the positive aspects of your partner and your relationship. It's easy to take things for granted over time, especially when life becomes busy. However, making a conscious effort to recognize the little things your partner does, like making you coffee in the morning, listening when you need to vent, or simply being there, reinforces the foundation of love and respect. Verbal expressions of gratitude are particularly impactful. Saying thank you or I appreciate you may seem small, but these words carry immense weight. They validate your partner's contributions and show that you don't overlook their efforts. Whether it's for a grand gesture or a minor act of kindness, taking the time to articulate your gratitude strengthens your connection. Beyond verbal expressions, actions can also communicate appreciation. Thoughtful gestures such as surprising your partner with their favorite treat, leaving a note of encouragement, or planning a special evening demonstrate that you value them and are willing to invest time and effort into the relationship. These actions speak volumes about your commitment and care. Focusing on gratitude also helps shift your mindset during challenging times. No relationship is without its difficulties, but choosing to emphasize what you're grateful for can help you maintain perspective and reduce negativity. Reflecting on your partner's strengths and the positive aspects of your relationship can create a sense of resilience and optimism, even in the face of conflict. Gratitude isn't just about expressing appreciation for your partner, it's also about fostering a shared sense of thankfulness for your life together. Take time to celebrate your achievements, milestones, and the journey you've embarked on as a couple. Whether it's reminiscing about how you first met, acknowledging how far you've come, or setting goals for the future. These moments of reflection build a sense of unity and shared purpose. Regularly practicing gratitude also helps you stay present and mindful in your relationship. By focusing on what you appreciate in the here and now, you cultivate a deeper awareness of the love and support that exists between you.
This presence enhances emotional intimacy and ensures that your relationship remains a source of comfort and inspiration.
In essence, gratitude and appreciation are the glue that holds a relationship together, especially during the ups and downs of life. By making gratitude a daily habit and expressing it through words and actions, you nurture a relationship filled with warmth, respect, and enduring love.